Black pepper farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Black pepper, known as the king of spices, is widely cultivated for its dried fruit. Black pepper is a popular spice that is widely used in cooking. Black pepper is valued as a high-quality agricultural product. Dear visitors, today we will try to tell you how to profit by cultivating black pepper. I will discuss suitable places for black pepper cultivation, proper care, and some main cultivation steps. Black pepper thrives in tropical climates, with an ideal temperature range between 25 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Requires high humidity, particularly during the growing season. A good place has to be selected for black pepper cultivation. It prefers well-drained, loamy, or clay loam soils rich in organic matter. Soil pH should be between 5.5 to 6.5. Proper planting of black pepper leads to better plant growth and higher yield. Black pepper seedlings are usually prepared from grafting. For this, 30 to 45 centimeters long healthy and strong branches should be selected. The leaves should be removed from the branch and the lower part of the branch can be soaked in water for 1 to 2 hours to grow roots. The branch is then planted in soil mixed with organic matter and kept under shade. The rainy season is best for planting, as the soil has sufficient moisture during this time and the roots of the plant grow rapidly. Seedlings are usually planted during this period from June to August. Black pepper, being a climbing plant, grows on top of other trees or artificial structures. So it is better to choose a place around big trees for planting seedlings. If there are no large trees, bamboo poles can be used as tree supports. First, a hole of size 50 centimeters x 50 centimeters x 50 centimeters should be made. The hole should be prepared by mixing dung manure and soil in a ratio of 50 to 50. Seedlings should be placed in the middle of the hole and covered with soil. To keep the seedlings straight after planting, they should be tied to bamboo or wooden poles. A distance of 2.5 to 3 meters should be kept between each plant so that the plants can get enough light and air. Sufficient water should be given immediately after planting. Weeds around the plant should be cleaned regularly so that there is no problem in the plant's absorption of nutrients. It is better to use organic fertilizers in pepper cultivation. Organic manure or cow dung manure can be applied every 3 to 4 months to increase plant growth. Regular irrigation is required, especially during the dry season. Excess standing water can be harmful, so soil drainage should be good after irrigation. Black pepper plants can be affected by a variety of insects and diseases, such as leaf curl, root rot, etc. To prevent this, regular use of organic pesticides is necessary. Within 2 to 3 years of planting, the plant begins to bear pepper. Pepper fruits turn green to yellow or red when ripe. When the fruit is fully ripe on the tree, it is collected and dried in the sun to make black pepper.